Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Cloudflare Access for data dashboard. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard of your site. Locate that Access option in the left sidebar menu. Click on Access to open the Access settings. Select Applications from the Access menu. Click on the Add an Application button. Choose Self-Hosted as the application type. Fill in the required fields, such as the name and URL of your data dashboard. Set up the authentication policies by selecting Add a Policy. Define the policy's access rules based on your organization's needs. Specify who can access the dashboard, using emails or groups. Click on Save to apply your access policy. Next, scroll down to the Identity Providers section. Click on Add an Identity Provider to set up authentication methods. Choose your preferred identity provider, such as Google or Azure. Follow the prompts to configure the identity provider settings. Once configured, return to the Access settings. Review and ensure that your application and policy details are correct. Now, click on Save to finalize your application setup. Test the configuration by accessing your data dashboard. Authenticate using the selected identity provider. Verify that the access rules apply correctly by trying different user accounts. Make any adjustments if necessary in the access setting. Your data dashboard is now secured with Cloudflare Access authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.